Welcome to No Silly Questions, the show where I, Mike Gerholdt, try to answer any Salesforce question you have, no matter how silly you think it is. Today, we have a question from Kim about, well, Kim, what's your question?
Hi, my name is Kim from San Francisco, California. My question is, how did Astro become the Trailhead mascot?
That's a great question, Kim. I think I know the answer, but you know what? I'm going to get you the expert. So let me turn this question over to Domenique, or Astro's mom. Dom, take it away.
Hey, so how did Astro become the Trailhead mascot? Well, in 2014, Astro arrived. They were an explorer. They were a dreamer. They were curious about the world. And then they found Trailhead. And when they're happy, that's how they transform into anything that they dream to be. So they went from an astronaut to a race car driver. And then they're like, you know what? I'm going to hit the trail. And guess what? They did. The rest is history. And that's how Astro became all things Trailhead. And because they were doing such a great job at being there for you on the trail, they are now your guide to Salesforce at large, which is really, really exciting to see. And I couldn't be more proud.
Thank you for that answer, Dom. I love learning about Astro. They're my favorite. Now, you can see I'm not afraid to tackle any question. So if you have a question, no matter how silly you think it is, hit me up on the Trailblazer Community. I'm especially active in the Admin Trailblazers group. Or find me on Twitter and tweet me a question. I'll do my best to get them answered in this series. So remember, there's no silly question.